Hello, my name is Lissy from Stafford Land Rover, and today's 360 exterior and interior tour is on this Range Rover Evoque 2.0 D200 Autobiography. Now, this vehicle is a diesel with an automatic transmission. It is ULEZ compliant and is finished in Tribeca blue. To start off with, then, this vehicle has pixel LED headlights which are brilliant for illuminating the road ahead of you, especially in those dark conditions. Along with this, you also have 21-inch 5-split-spoke alloy wheels with a gloss dark grey finish, really complementing against the Tribeca blue exterior colour. You also have keyless entry, which allows you to either lock or unlock the vehicle, even if the keys are in the bottom of your bag or perhaps even your pockets. Moving to the rear of the vehicle, you can find your electric boot lid, and once open you can see that you have a substantial amount of room. You could easily fit in a large suitcase. As well as this, you also have your deployable tow bar, allowing you to tow things such as a trailer or perhaps even a caravan for those weekend getaways. Moving to the rear seats, you can find the ebony leather upholstery. The rear seats do have ISOFIX fittings, ideal for small children's car seats. Moving to the front, you have your multifunctional steering wheel infotainment system, and as we pan around again, you find that lovely upholstery once more, providing you and your passengers with the utmost comfort. Now, this vehicle features a sliding panoramic sunroof, which is brilliant for allowing all the natural light possible into the cabin. On your multifunctional steering wheel, which is also heated, you have your hands-free options, volume controls, and of course your cruise control, ideal for those longer journeys, allowing you to travel at a constant speed. Moving to the dash, you can see this vehicle has done 5,774 miles, however this is subject to change. On your infotainment system, you have everything you may need for any journey. Included with this is your navigation system, which allows you to plan any journey you may take in this vehicle. Your DAB radio, which has all sorts of genres of music suited to everyone, so you can always find something to listen to no matter what. Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, allowing you to use Apple or Google Maps or perhaps just listen to your own music. You also have your 4x4 information along with your terrain response drive modes and wade sensing. All these individual features make the vehicle suited for most off-road terrain and any off-road adventures you may plan or find yourself on. You're also able to deploy or stow away the tow bar from within the comfort of the cabin. And you of course have your 3D view camera, allowing you to see almost every angle of the vehicle, making manoeuvring and reversing so much easier. Now, the front seats in this car are both heated and ventilated, ideal for both those hot summer days as well as those colder winter ones. And this is paired with a dual zone climate control, so you can individually adjust the temperature suited to either you or your passenger. This has been a presentation on the Range Rover Evoque 2.0 D200 Autobiography that's now available to purchase from Stafford Land Rover. For more information, please contact our sales team.